Yay. Alright, what's up everybody? This is overexposed, yeah? So I'm just going to change the aperture on my lens in the correct way. We're sitting at f2.8. We've got a nice light here as well. I don't really know if it's looking that good, to be honest. I think I need something else, like maybe a different kind of fill. But basically here, I'm checking back in with you guys because yeah, it's been too long and it's like, I've got so much to talk about and I'm helping a lot of people with my courses and everything, but at the same time, it could be helping you guys online just progress faster. That's actually what's happening with my photography course. People are learning quicker, and they're actually taking better photos than I am at the moment, which is concerning. But definitely, of course, very rewarding. Let's just have a look at these for a second. These are awesome. These are called Aputure MCs, and they're tiny, tiny little lights that have a multitude of effects. Anything from, you know, police, cop car, to pulsing effects, to party, which I've used a lot on music videos. As you can see, it just randomizes all the colors and the hues, giving a really awesome kind of effect where you just kind of throw it on, well in this case using a little small rig clamp, clipping those onto walls and just going for it. They last a really long time and they're not too expensive. I'll link it below. I really recommend you get at least one of these just for a little effect. They're fantastic and they're really tiny. Plus they're magnetized, so you can just stick it on to anything that's metal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just change it over to just the normal mode where you can change the color temperature, which is really cool. I don't know if you can see it there, but if I'm changing it to warm and then we cool it off, I actually think that, yeah, so if we had like a warm light underneath me here, just directed slightly, does that help a bit? I don't know. Another sip of coffee will probably help me decide if it's helping. But anyways, I was just checking in. It's a short video, maybe like 2-3 minutes, right? I've got a video tomorrow, a music video. I want to go behind the scenes in some way, but I want to make it cinematic and I want to kind of like help you guys along the way. So give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like whatever you think. I just want feedback right now, to be honest. And I really appreciate anyone who's just like willing to give me a go. But at the same time, I do have a lot to tell you. And as a video creator, video director based in Melbourne City, I think that other guys in Melbourne, I've heard a lot on podcasts and other places, that there's a lot of videographers that are just kind of doing their thing. And yeah, I mean, I'm like an OG, to be honest. I've been doing this for 10 years, so there's a lot of stuff that I know that I've learnt through experiences that I can really help and you know, maybe provide you with some knowledge and stuff like that. So yeah, just send us a comment on the video, like it and all that, and yeah, you can subscribe later if you're liking what I'm up to. But yeah, once again, I've got 2 of them. These things are fantastic, and I really recommend you you try to pick one up at least, because they're just like, look how small they are. They're tiny. Anyway, they're really awesome, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Big respect. Keep shooting, keep filming, keep editing and cutting. Let's get it. Let's get it. Turn up, 100%. It's Tim, TMC. You know what time it is. Let's go.
This morning, I let my work and my money talk. Sidewalk. I got my niggas on sidewalk. This morning, I let my work and my money talk. Gang bang on the sidewalk. Talk loud and I tough talk, but shit deeper when you side cross. Envy nigga with a dream lost. You say you bang, but can you stand? One with you, dev staring deep. Sidewalk. I got my niggas on sidewalk. Bitch mode.